Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make broccoli rabe with sweet caramelized garlic. You're going to love it. Broccoli rabe is definitely an acquired taste. If you don't care for the bitterness, go ahead and blanch it. I like it bitter, but since I'm cooking for multiple people, I'm going to quickly blanch it just long enough to set the color, and then I'm going to throw it in a cold water bath. Slice up a couple of cloves of garlic. Then remove as much water as you can. Set your pan to low heat, add the extra virgin olive oil and your spices, which include sea salt, fresh black pepper, hot seeds, and a little Italian seasoning. Slowly cook the garlic until the edges are just starting to brown. Then crank up the heat and add the broccoli rabe, stirring constantly. That looks good, but I think it's missing something. Oh yeah, don't skimp on the Parmigiano Reggiano. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe below.